Hello everybody, we're here to draw our winners for our Virtual Unity Challenge. We've got 3 prizes we're going to draw for today. We got a $500 prize and then 2 $250 prizes. So we'll draw the $500 prize first. So good luck to everybody in the bowl here and see who we draw. So the $500 prize winner is Addison Marshall. Congratulations to Addison. The first $250 prize winner is Alec Vandegroff. Congratulations to Alec. And the second $250 prize winner is Alicia Meshkova. Congratulations to Alicia. Thanks everybody.